Hey everyone, did you know that science suggests problem solving can boost your intelligence and dramatically improve your memory? A beautiful geometry problem that, despite its confusing appearance, can be solved with just a few simple steps. We have a triangle ABC and a line segment DC drawn perpendicular to side BC. The question says BC is equal to DC and BD is equal to AC. And our goal is to find angle X here. Before we start, take a moment and think about it. What's the first solution that comes to your mind? Welcome to your channel, Geomathic. The first thing that catches my attention is triangle BDC. It has two equal sides, BC and DC, which means it's an isosceles triangle. Since its vertex angle is 90 degrees, each base angle must be 45 degrees. So 45 here and 45 degrees here. But the problem is still unclear, so we need to create some new information. One important property of a right triangle is that if we draw a median from the 90-degree vertex to the hypotenuse, it divides the hypotenuse into two equal parts. And of course, the median itself is also equal to half the hypotenuse. So let's draw it and call this point E. Now E is the midpoint of BD, which means BE equals DE. So we show that. And median CE is equal to half the hypotenuse, or also equal to each of these smaller segments. Therefore, all these three segments are equal. So let's call each one X, 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 and X. Now we have another isosceles triangle, EDC, because it has two equal sides. One base angle is 45 degrees, so the other must also be 45 degrees. Since interior angles add up to 180 degrees, the remaining angle must be 90 degrees. Interesting, we found another 90-degree angle. We are given that BD equals AC. And since BD equals X plus X or 2X, then AC is also equal to 2X as well. Now if you look closely, we have another right triangle, AEC. Its base is X and the hypotenuse is 2X. If we call angle A as theta, how can we find the value of theta? Yes, in a right triangle, sine theta equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So sine theta equals the opposite, x over the hypotenuse, 2x, which is equal to 1/2. Now which angle has a sine of 1/2? Great, 30 degrees. So theta equals 30 degrees. I write here theta 30 degrees. Now we have a 30-degree angle here and a 90-degree angle here. So the third one must be 180 minus 30 minus 90, which is equal to 60 degrees. And the final step, if the entire angle is 60 degrees and this part equals 45 degrees, then the angle we are looking for is 60 minus 45 equals 15 degrees. Have a good time.